Okay friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Type S Jumpstarter and power bank. So I think everybody that has a car should probably have one of these in their vehicle. These are super handy. I have one in my truck, and not this exact one, but what the? This one's giving me some trouble here. Okay, that's going to come up there. And yes, I've had to jump start my truck multiple times with it. Just as I think my battery is probably getting a little old, but also that is just sometimes I have some electric running boards on there and stuff, and if people open and close the doors a bunch, it can drain the battery. Also with these, you don't need somebody else if you need to jump start your vehicle. So that's kind of nice. You don't have to depend on someone else to come along and help you out. So in here, we have this little bag here. It's got your instructions and a little warning on there. Here we have the here we have the jumper cables here, and when you just plug it in there, it's pretty much just plug and play. You'll just plug it into your battery, or put this on the battery, plug this into your charger, and go fire it up. Here's our charging cable to charge up our device, and it also has, you can charge it with a cigarette lighter too if you want to. Okay, there's that, and then we have the device itself. So really small. I think it'll fit in that case too. It should have indicators, has a light here also. There we are on the side. You can plug in our jumper cables right here in the side, and then we have access here. So it's got these nice little waterproof covers here. We have access to, let's see, our input output, and we have a USB and USB-C, 20 volt, 1.5 amps. So it shows you all the different kind of volts and amperage it has there. So let's see, we have a power button here, and it has an indicator of where your power is. When you do, let's see, how do we turn on the light here? See how bright that light is. Okay, it's red. Just a red light on there? I thought it'd be a different one. Alright, so it has a simple instructions there on the back. You can just clamp cables to the battery and then ready to start ignition on there. Okay, so maybe this has different signals on there. If like pushing the button, it's got like a flashing one. I thought it would have like a white flashlight there too. Well, this is flashing red. Anyways, you can charge your phone with these as well. Just super handy to have. I got this for my son for his car just to keep in there just in case. So it, you know, if you do run out of battery on your phone or something too, this is super handy. Just plug it in and charge it up. So I'm going to see if I think it will fit in this little case here. I just wanted to make sure. So this is a pretty handy little case, and this is like, it's just really easy to work with. It's basically just plug these in and start your engine here. So I think it'll go on there, and there we go. So it all fits in this nice little case here. You can put it in your trunk, you know, under your seat, whatever, and you'll have that confidence that, hey, if my car battery dies or my phone dies or whatever, I'm stranded somewhere, this is extra assurance that you're going to get your battery, getting your car started, or, you know, be able to charge your phone. So out camping, anything like that, and then be used as a little power device for other things as well, anything that you can plug a USB into basically. So highly recommend that you guys get one of these for a loved one or for a car or anything like that, or just for yourself. I have one of these in my truck, and like I said, I use it multiple times. This will start up to a 6-liter gas engine and a 3-liter diesel. I got a Tundra, and mine starts, that's got a 5.78 liter V8 in there, and it starts at no problem. So all right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. I'm not gonna do a demonstration of it jump starting my car, because then I'd have to go drain my battery, but these do work pretty awesome. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.